Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you a few common mistakes that beginner traders usually make when it comes to trading support and resistance, price action in general. As a beginner trader, you have this excitement and idea that, you just need to hop on the charts, look at a few candlesticks, read a few candle charts and chart patterns. Once you see this particular chart formation, uh, you just feel like you should execute a trade and the next day, nah, enough with the bullshit and stuff. Let's get to it. Stop. Cut. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anya Gislen, and in this YouTube channel here, we share trading ideas and tips to better your trading. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing a few common mistakes that beginner traders usually make when it comes to trading support and resistance or price action in general. So first of all, as you can see here, this is my chart, gold 15 minutes time frame. So what traders usually do, the first and most terrible, like let me say, the most difficult thing in trading is understanding or having a good mindset. You understand? Having a firm mindset of the chart or of the whole thing. Trading has to do with psychology, a lot of emotional stuff. So I don't want you to come on the chart here and have a lot of candles like this. As a trader, first of all, your chart should be clean. When I say clean, I mean it should look like this or however you want it to look like. It should be clean. Have a safe and clean, neat, good-looking working environment, right? Let me show you my settings for my charts so I can show you guys. You guys can maybe, I don't know, if you like it, you can you can copy it. This is it right here. Screenshot all of these things as I'm showing you right here. Then you want to come down here to trading, look at the settings, everything here. You just have to understand it has to do more with charts. So this is the main setting that you need. Then you just set everything up, and that is it. All right, you can get rid of the grids as well. I don't know if you need the grids. For me, I don't really think I do need it. So what I did is I just changed the colors for the grids, so you can do the same thing. You just maybe go on the grids, use the same colors of your background for the grids, so you can just get rid of it. All right, so this is a pure chart. This is a good looking chart. What do we do next? As beginner traders, they hop on here on the 15 minutes or even lower, and they are striving to look for levels. Now, one rule of thumb, or let me say, one of the major rules when it comes to support and resistance says what? Areas of price where we have strong push or rejection, a key level, right? We have a strong push here to the downside, so this is a key level. We're hoping to trade here next time when price comes there. Um, this is another key level because we had a strong push here. So all these levels are key levels. Now, where exactly are you trading? Where exactly? Look at, can you see what this is? Leave the smaller time frames when you open your charts, okay? Smaller time frames is based on your entries. Use smaller time frames when you want to execute your trade, okay? When you want to confirm your entries, you use smaller time frames. What you're supposed to do is hop on a 4-hour time frame. This is what I do personally. You can do whatever you want. This is not financial advice. So this is my 4-hour chart. Now I can see clearly where price is bouncing. I can see clearly where price might likely bounce in the nearest future. This is exactly how you should trade. If you're getting started, you should go in the 4-hour time frame. Particular area, this area at 1977.257. This price area, this price range, price has been rejecting this area for quite a while. You get? So we have a level like this one. We have another level here. You can see that all of these levels here are pretty good because why? They push price a number of times. Let me give you guys one tip, one secret, okay? I don't know. So I feel like I've been talking too much. I don't know how to control. I usually speak too fast. I don't know. So this is it, right? The secret I want to give you guys, I want to share with you is, it's not really a secret though. When you have a certain level, you have these weak rejections, weak rejections. This is to prove that what? This is to show you, this is the market trying to communicate to you that there is an opposing pressure sitting at this price level. Meaning there is buying pressure in this case, pushing price. Every time price gets here, it pushes price and closes the candles like this. This is why these candles look like this. With these long wicks, there's an opposing pressure to tell you that what? This is an important price. Here you can highlight and trade these areas. Okay, so to me, when I see areas like this that has been rejected multiple times, one, it has been rejected multiple times. Two, it has weak rejections, okay, not just candles, because sometimes the market might just reach there and just reverse, That's not really a rejection. The market might just be exhausted, or maybe lack of opposing pressure, or maybe lack of buying pressure to continue pushing it, or selling pressure to continue pushing it. Then the market just drops, or maybe it's following a trend line or something. But when you have the market stuck in a range like this, or stuck on a particular price level for a good period of time, this is the 4 hour time frame. This thing should have taken like, we're talking days, weeks here, bro. It has actually been here for a while. You feel me? So look at this level. I didn't make this video here to, show you 1 billion things in one video. No, I made this video to show you guys exactly how you can go out there and pinpoint the best and high probability key levels to trade from. I trade support and resistance. I've taken up a funded account, a funded challenge, and I've passed the phase one. I passed the phase one in less than 10 days. I posted everything in my free Telegram channel. And if you're not part of that community, you can click the links down below in the description to join. Okay? So this is it. Price rejects. Okay, price rejects, 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 rejects. Look at this rejection. There's something very common with these rejections. It is an indication that this is a good level. Once this level breaks, there's a very, very high likelihood of it being retested and continuing to the downside. Okay, so let me just put this here. This is my, okay, I just, like to keep it simple. You can do it how you want. There's no specific way of doing this thing. I just play around with it until you find something attractive. That's it. Okay, so when this level breaks, what happens? It pushes price to the downside. You see this here and drop. And just so you know, I have an entry module, meaning I have a system that I've already drafted. I've drafted the system already for trades. If you go to my Telegram channel and go through all of the posts that I've been making, all the trades that I've been taking, I have similar entries. My entries are always perfect. I have good entries. Push majority of the times, okay? Because there is something that I have evaluated myself, I have done, and I've practiced for over 2 years. And that is exactly how, okay? I'm not selling any course. I do not have a course, okay? But if you need, or if you feel like you're in need of my services, or maybe you need my time, okay? If you need my time, because that's what you're paying for my time. If you need my time to explain a few to you, or maybe go on a Zoom meeting with you, or coach you and everything, click the link down below. Send me a message on Telegram. Then I'll tell you exactly how to go about it. Okay? And just so you know, it's $50. It's $50 for 1 month. That is how much you're going to pay for me to evaluate you and give you every piece of information that you need. $50 for 1 month, and we have one Zoom session every week. I'll answer all of your questions, and we're going to break down charts throughout. I want you to digest this, and I do not have, just so you know, I do not have like private mentorship at the moment. Okay, I do not have students at the moment. All the other students that were there, we finished everything up, and everybody's doing their own stuff now. So at the moment, I do not have somebody that I'm working with. So the first 3 people that hop in, those are the people I'll be working with. I don't need a lot of people disturbing and sending me messages all the time. Okay, just 3 people. I want to work with people. You feel me? So that is it. Let me get back to the video. Sorry, it's a good sign that this level is good too. And the price is probably here, and you're anticipating to just buy. If you have these weak rejections, you have to be patient. Patient enough to wait for it to break. You might see it this week or next week and trade after next week or the week after that. Be patient and trade when the time is right. It's worth waiting. Okay, this, let's say price is just here and we have like 1, 2, 3 rejections, and yeah, how do we trade? Price is here, what do we do? Boom. Question of the day, what do you do? For me personally, I'm just going to tell you exactly how I do it. Okay, for me personally, I don't like trading a particular zone too many times. So when I have a zone like this formed, I like to see the second rejection. Once I see the second rejection, that is now considered a zone. I won't just call this a zone because price is up here. No, I'll call it a zone when I see 2 or more rejections. So when I see 2 rejections like this, it's good to go. Then maybe the third one, I might now use my module that I told you about, my strategy, my entry strategy, because that's actually the strategy. It's not this thing. This is not strategy. Drawing this thing is not strategy, okay? This is called analysis. Everybody does this. But now what differs traders from the others is we have a way of entering the market, and we have a way of manipulating our stop losses, trailing, and all of those things. There is a particular way to do it. I have a particular way to do it. I'm not confusing anything here, okay? Good. Now, we're here to the upside. This is a very impulsive market to begin with. The price was rejecting this upside, okay? This is where this thing was before I pushed it up here. So don't look at this one and be like, oh, why is this one here? Nah, I just kept it there because I wanted a space to express something. This is actually where, let me stretch this out a bit. Okay, nice. This is it. All right. So this here, this piece of price action here is called a range. You can call it a range. You can call it a period of consolidation. You can call it, okay? It all means the same thing. At the end of the day, we just want to make money. So here we have it, rejection. Rejection 1, rejection 2. Once I see these 2 rejections, okay, I just highlight them, theme, and I'm waiting to trade the 3rd one. Yes, I see need to do so. And there are other criteria. There are other criteria that might actually trigger me to trade again for the 2nd time on this level. Okay, so I might not tell you, I might not give you that information right now, but if you follow me here, this will be my trade. Boom, I'll set this thing to the downside. I come out here, I maybe buy it for the last time, and boom, that's it. All this noise here, I'm not part of it. I wait for it to break one direction and I continue my trading. Okay, so once I trade this and this, I'm done with gold until I have a break, meaning I'll put an alert here and wait for price to break out. Once I'm alerted that price has broken out, I'll reanalyze my chart. Then I'll now see looking to buy here, buy here. Price comes back to this area that has been rejected by weeks. I'm definitely buying. That is exactly what I did. All right. Go to my Telegram channel, please. I'm insisting because all of this analysis that I'm doing here, these are trades that I actually took and they're in my Telegram, all of it. So go there and see for yourself, okay? Your boy didn't come to play around. I'm gonna replay price action and be like, if you do this, you achieve 4,000. Oh my God, please. All right. Enough of all that bullshit. You waste your time, waste your years watching videos over and over. You never ever be able to trade. You never. Okay, you make profits today. 3 times in a row, you lose money. You always do. I don't. It's not like I don't take losses. I take losses. I took losses yesterday. Okay, I do take losses. I do take losses, but check my Telegram out. You see everything I posted there. I see these pushes like this consolidation, and I see weeks like this. I'm so excited because yo, that is my fucking key level. Oh my bad language. All right, so this is what my analysis for gold would look like. Let me reduce this. I don't like this thing too thick. Like I said, I hate it. I like it slim, good looking, good like that. I took a trade here. I sold gold here. I bought gold somewhere. Is it here? Then I bought gold here. I've even forgotten. Please check my Telegram. I have the screenshots, everything there. All right, good. So this is it. All right, you can see here we have 1 rejection from the other price action, break and retest. Boom, that is it. We trade it down. We trade it down. We didn't see that's anything better. We have a key level and we're waiting for what we're waiting for, either a break and a retest. My favorite setup is a break and retest. Longer, you know, the more price taps the level, the less active it gets, because here it's a high probability trade because it just broke and this is the first touch. So if you have a good entry module, you can enter. Same thing here. Hey guys, I'm sorry for that. My Wi-Fi had some problems, so it disconnected and everything was disrupted. So I'll just continue back from where I stopped. I was just about telling you guys where I am anticipating or what I'm looking out for. I say we have 3 zones and price is in the middle. So price either goes up or goes down. So if price bounces here, I'm not doing anything. I'm not trading anything here. But if it bounces up here into this level, then I'll be looking to my module and I'll look for a confirmation entry here. Once I see that, then I'll drive this market down. And when I say drive this market down, guys, please, this leads to the 3rd mistake that beginner traders make. Not only beginner traders, a lot of traders make this mistake. This is the 4th here, and they're looking to hold all the way down here. Like people trade like this. Let me just put like this. People trade like this. Stop loss this type, or maybe like this. I don't know. And they have their first TP here, and their second TP here because they are looking to take or even sweep these lows. Are you kidding me? How many weeks are you going to hold your trade for? No. This will result to a lot of break-even trades, to a lot of losing trades. You hit your TP like once in a blue moon, okay? And this is going to go, or it's going to disturb you mentally because you just feel like you have a trade that's opened and you have to be checking from time to time. And maybe when it's in drawdown, it's giving a lot of mental breakdown. Do you know what I do when I trade this for these levels? All the money that I make in Forex, okay? This is the maximum. This is it. Boom. That's all about it. I'm in here and I'm out here. That's all. All these levels you see me drawing here, that I'm not trading this level. Do not do that. I bounce up here. I look for my confirmation. I enter my stop loss. I'm looking for a very small push. I capitalize on very small push. Do you see this push here, this pullback here? This tap, the 3rd tap into this level here. If I was on this particular trade and maybe I had my confirmations and I entered this position, you saw that this position didn't work out, right? If I was here, I wouldn't have taken a loss because you see this 4 hour candle, I would have taken partials on this candle and I would have broken even. Meaning I'll come out here with small profits. But a lot of traders will not because so capitalize on small moves, guys. The people that make money in this market do not hold trades the way you think. They don't hold trades from here to here. No, nobody does that. They take 2 candles and they're out of this market with millions. Do you understand? Capitalism. This is a very big push. Take half of it and get out. Get out. Okay? Do it, and do it repeatedly. You're going to find yourself having an edge over the market. So aside from the market going up, I'm also looking at if this level fails to hold price up here, then price will drop all the way down here. And I'll do the same. I will check for there's an entry opportunity here, then I'll buy the market. But I have like 30% chance of buying this market because I don't really think I'm interested in buying this market. I'm more interested in selling. So here's 70%, here's 30%. So that's it. That's what I'm looking out for gold. Pretty soon see here that we have some weak rejections, rejecting this area. Though I haven't put anything there, I can see it. It's there. The moment this level breaks, maybe breaks impulsively, I might look for something around here. This is pretty much a I just don't want my levels, my chart too crowded or some. I'll soon get rid of this level, and I'll work with this two. You feel me? So this one has come a long way, and I think its journey has come to an end. So this is my new level now, and this one. So pretty much that is it. Here, I want price to come up here. I look for confirmation down. Comes here. That's it, bro. That's literally it. Follow my channel. Please consider subscribing to this channel. I started this channel about 3 months ago, and it's been very, very slow. People are not subscribing. Majority of people who watch my videos do not subscribe. So I tend to be lazy at times. As you can see, lately I don't really drop videos that consistently again because people are not, supporting. They watch the videos all through and they just skip. So please subscribe, like, and drop a comment down below. I really want to hear your own thoughts on this. Maybe if I said something that isn't the way, I don't know. Just share your own thoughts on this. Once again, my name is Gislen. Thanks for watching Forex Hybrid.